Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha. Today we are going to practice few asanas for your knee pain. Before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon next to it so that you will get all my new uploaded videos. Also, you can follow us on Instagram page which has a name with Yoga for Cure. Alright, so if you have a knee pain generally or if you have any complications, then please show it to the doctor. Generally, if you have any knee pain, then you can follow these asanas. They are very effective. Eventually, with the consistency of the practice, you will feel much better. To start with, these are very simple and very basic postures which is easy for anyone to do. You don't need to have very advanced practice before or something. In case if you feel like few asanas, if you are not able to practice, you don't have to practice them. So whatever you feel is like easy for you to practice without much complication, then you can try by yourself. Okay. To start with, stand straight, shoulder relaxed. All you have to do is you have to lift your heels up and then down. So inhale when you go up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up and exhale down. So this practice you can count it up to like 50, 40, 30. You can start with 10 or 15. If you are comfortable, you can go up to 30, 40 and 50. Eventually you can continue. Okay. Moving forward, again very simple one. Bend your knee slightly, not like you are bending it totally. So bend your spine a little, bend your knee. You just have to have a knee rotation like one, round, straight, rotate, straight, rotate in a clockwise, rotate, straight, maybe 5 or 10 times, and repeat the same anti-clockwise, rotate, straight, rotate, straight, rotate, straight, keep your breath normal, rotate and straight. Again, this is just an example. How can you practice? How many counts you want to practice? It's up to you. So you can increase the count eventually when you practice. Alright, moving forward. Very simple posture, mountain. If you know how to practice Surya Namaskara, this is a very common practice for you. Here, just lift your knee up and push your hip up. Try to drop your heels down. Say your heel is not going down, that's fine. Make sure that your knee is slightly tucked in. Don't bend your knee, tuck your knee in, push your hip up. How much ever you can, drop your shoulders down and hold. Make sure the knee are tucked in, not sent out loose. Try to keep them straight. Hold for about 5 to 10 counts, or again it depends on your capacity. From here, drop your knee down and then relax. Sometimes if you have a problem with the Vajrasana, suddenly you cannot sit in this posture. So once you come back from mountain, you just be here. From Parvatasana, just drop your knee down. Keep your heels apart from each other. Say knee in center, heel apart from each other, and just try to drop your hip on the floor. Make sure that you keep your spine straight, gentle and relaxed. Now, this posture is not possible from everyone, at least to start with. This is easy for few people and some people find it very difficult if you have a tight thighs and your knee is like, if you have a lot of pain in the knee, it might trouble you a lot in the beginning. What you can do is, you can take a help of a block, something like this, or else you can take a help of a small pillow which is available at home. So place it below, in between both the heels, and then try to sit on it. This is much comfortable, very less pain in the knee. If at all you have like a very tight thighs or knee, this will make you really comfortable. All you have to do is keep your toe in, heels separated, knee together with the help of the block, sit straight, spend few minutes or few seconds depending on your capacity. At least try to keep it minimum 10 to 15 seconds. While practicing all these asana, try to have awareness. It's not like randomly you're practicing. Try to practice with long breathe in and breathe out, and try to relax after each posture for about 5 to 10 seconds before you jump into another posture. So after this, You can remove the block and you can sit comfortably on the floor. And all these postures should be done on the mat, not on the bed. Now sit straight, knee relaxed, toe pointing out, spine straight. Or if you find it like spine is too stressed, you can keep it slightly relaxed. Now the entire focus should be on your knee. All you have to do is you have to press your knee towards the floor. It's like down. You can see the changes in the knee and then relax. Tighten and then relax. When you inhale, let your knee go down. When you exhale, you're going to relax. So when you press your knee, you're actually tightening the muscle from your thigh and to the knee, which you should continue to practice. This should be the count, at least you start from 10 counts and then can go up to 20, 30. If you're practicing every day, the more you practice, you can have a good blood circulation in the whole area, which will help you to reduce the pain. And then in the end, just bend your knee and then relax. That's all. You just have to do these postures every day. If you have a practice of other sports or any other activities or regular workout or yoga, you just can add these few postures in the regular practice. Do this every day with consistency to see the better results. Keep practicing. Thank you.